Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. It's me, Rhonda, saying things all the time. And there's a cat, at least one in here, rummaging around, getting into trouble with some of the empty boxes. Don't we all have empty boxes in our lives? Whether they're internal or external. It's very deep. It's not that deep. Today, I am glad to see you. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. Green fingernails. It must be getting close to St. Patrick's Day and spring and time going backwards again. Spring is in the air. It was like almost 70 degrees here today, which is fantastic for March. Today we are getting into a brand new palette, just came out. It's the Hela palette or Hela palette, depending on where you come from. And it is from Odin's Eye and Angelica. And I'm very excited about it. It is absolutely stunning. And you know I'm a sucker for these greens. You know I am. And I love how the little pans are shaped, and it's 16 colors. I bet you'd like to see some magic swatches. Bam! It starts down here, and it goes all the way here. And it's swatched very nicely. Look at those shimmers. Look at those shimmers. They're spectacular. I can't wait to put them on my eyeballs. Really, my lids. Because if I put them on my eyeballs, I might go blind. Because they're not made for your soft, sweet, wet eyeballs. But these are going on my face immediately. And it's hard to read the colors because they're written in a light green on top of a light green. But I'll do my best to say what they are as we go through. And I'm going to start in the crease with Rebirth. This yellow, this mellow yellow. Ooh, she is pigmented. This is a pigmented matte color. And it will set the tone for everything else that's going to go on here today. I just love playing with color. I can hear a cat bathing. It's little cat noises. And that is Brilliant Yellow. Oh my God. Oh Lordy, help me. Somebody help me. I say somebody help me. What am I going to do from here? I'm going to go into a green. I'm going to go into this green. That yellow is Rebirth, and this green is called Golden Bridge. It's not showing up very much. It is another light green. Well, it's a light green with a lot of yellow in it. We're just building colors. We're just playing with the palette. It's the first time that I've used it on my face. So it's exciting to see what happens. Let's go in with a darker green. Right next to it, this matte, which is called, I can't tell. There we go. Kind of a light mossy green. That's good. That's taking us someplace. I look like a clown. Oh my Lord. What have I done? Oh, let's see. There's a little kick up in the mats, but it's not bad. I'm going to go with this icy color here on my lid. Oh, it's got some warm peachy reflex to it, and it is called Double-Sided, because it has a shift to it. It's all looking very similar right now, but it's all for fun. And I'll do another video with this palette, going for some other colors. But this is a very great look for the St. Patty's Day. I need to darken this look up. This look needs some darkness. So I'm going to go into this moss green here, this dark moss, kind of a dark khaki. It's called Decay. That's looking cool. It's looking very cool. It's really bringing in depth to this look. I think this looks good, and I think with liner and mascara, it'll be a great look. I'll be right back. And voila, the mascara and liner really pulls this look together. It's very, very spring, very vibrant. And for my lip, I have to do something kind of neutral. So I'm going to reach into my Jeffree Star Open Here for Nudes. Oh, I'm going to pick out a nude from here. I think I'm going to go with Birthday Suit, or, well, I love Christmas Cookie, but it's a little pink. Or Tasty. I'm going to go with Tasty. I've never used Tasty before. I think that looks great. So Tasty on the lips, bright spring look on the eyes, and we have a great look today with the Hela or Hela palette from Odin's Eye and Angelica Nyquist. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.